Hey guys, it's Ryan. Welcome once again to my channel. I am going to be doing another Louis Vuitton unboxing. And as you can see, the packaging is quite different from the usual, because it was a few days before the Chinese New Year when we went to the Queenstown store here in New Zealand. So we planned to buy some travel guides and other books for our future lounge in the apartment, or sorry, in the townhouse that we are building. So we bought 3 travel guides initially. The other stuff they've had to send us by courier because it wasn't available at that time. So we bought 3 city travel guides for some of the cities that we really love and that we're gonna visit again very soon. Paris, Rome, and Milan. And yeah, so as you can see, the packaging is really cute with the red and gold theme. And knowing me, I'm such a hoarder. For sure I'm going to keep that paper for future use, maybe next Christmas. And also, as you can see, instead of the usual blue ribbon, they used the red and gold sort of detailed ribbon with a Year of the Tiger card. But otherwise, the box is kind of the same as the normal stationery packaging, the ones that come with like notebooks or diaries. So yeah, and here they are, the 3 city guides that we bought. I'm gonna unbox the Rome one first. This is the one that I've had to order in because they didn't have it at the store when we were there, so they've had to order it in, and they've sent this to us by courier. So here it is. It's about the size of an A5 notebook or diary. It does have an App Store sticker because you can download an electronic version of it via App Store. And it's a very nice shade of yellow, very bright and noticeable, but at the same time doesn't look cheap. Yeah, and I believe the binding material that they used is cloth, kind of like the same as some of their notebooks and agendas. But yeah, it looks really cute. It's covered in just thin plastic. Don't know why I'm struggling to unwrap this, but yeah, it looks very pretty. It's this is my favorite shade of yellow, just very bright. So the cover feels very nice and thick and durable, and it features some really nice photography, some iconic places and spots in Rome, and some information about many other stuff like food places, whether it's a high-end restaurant or a bistro. You'll find them all in here. It also features some information about artists, designers, and also like places to shop and some fun things to do in Rome. And each planner comes with some stickers along with the App Store information. And yeah, I honestly don't know what I'm gonna use the stickers for, but I'll probably just stick them on my laptop, just as some decorative element. But yeah, so you'll also find at the back of the travel guide some information about some contributors, like the authors, the photographers, and whatnot. There's also an index portion at the back. The city travel guide, by the way, retails for 66 New Zealand dollars, and it's very cheap. So it's probably one of the cheapest items you can buy from Louis Vuitton, and this is such a great gift idea, and or something that you can give to a collector, or maybe you can buy this in bulk, and next Christmas you can just give them away as Christmas gifts or maybe party favors. But in my case, I'm actually planning to use them as a source of some valuable information to have kind of like a fresh or more in-depth look of the cities that we love. Um, yeah. So this one is the Paris one. It's in the powder blue color. So it looks very low key. So yeah, not my favorite shade of blue, but could have been darker, but it's okay, it doesn't matter. This is probably going to be the one that we're going to be using a lot because we are obsessed with the city. So yeah, just like the Rome one, it does have some nice photography, and as you can see, some of the pages are kind of stuck together, but this was in the bag that we got from the actual store. So I don't know, maybe um, during transit it sort of caught some moisture. I'm not sure, even though it's covered in plastic. So yeah, it didn't ruin the print quality anyway, so it still looks okay. So yeah, just looks a little bit odd, but doesn't really matter. I still like it. So yeah, just like the Rome one, it does have some really um, good infos. The pages are kind of thin, kind of like the pages of the Bible. So it's that thin. So you kind of need to be like careful as you turn each page. Not because it feels like a Bible, but it's just like, yeah, the paper is that thin. So the city guide also comes with, yeah, just like the Rome one comes with the stickers, some blue stickers. And the third city guide is the Milan one, and it's in like kind of like a light salmon color, and it's, yeah, it's very cute. um, I'm, I'm excited about this one because I want to know more about the cathedral and also the shopping places in Milan. So I'm sure this travel guide is a wealth of information, and I'm gonna find some really valuable information. So yeah, from this travel guide. So it's exactly the same format as the other travel guides. So here they are next to each other. I like the color combination, they look really cool. And if you're planning to sort of use them as a decorative element as well in your lounge or in your room, your bedroom, or in your library, for sure they would sort of look really cool. And yeah, and very useful too, very informative. And this is something that I would probably collect over time, because I love travel guides and I love Louis Vuitton. So great combo. And yeah, even as a normal traveler, I do love reading travel guides more than watching YouTube videos or Googling. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. And yeah, I do post a lot of other lifestyle stuff and other unboxing and product reviews. So yeah, thanks for watching and stay safe, and see you in the next one.